the Urdd is expanding their outdoor apprenticeship scheme. Staff at outdoor centres across Wales have the opportunity to join now, and there are many benefits for doing so. This is a great opportunity to upskill your staff, with Level 2 or Level 3 apprenticeships on offer. The scheme is flexible. It coordinates with the work of the individual within the centre and lasts between 12 and 18 months. The Outdoor Apprenticeship Scheme is a great opportunity to develop your business provision within the outdoor sector. There is no cost to you as a centre. The scheme is funded by the Welsh Government.
This scheme is suitable for anyone working in the outdoor sector who wants to gain valuable new qualifications and upskill themselves. It's also a fantastic opportunity for the individuals to develop their understanding of current affairs through additional workshops we offer. So the more the learner wants out of the programme, the more we can offer. It's also a great opportunity for outdoor activity centres to offer continued professional development for the workforce and to have more highly qualified, more experienced and more confident members of staff.
Definitely for me the best thing is the amount of opportunities there are to develop, not only academically but personally as well.
One of the best things about this apprenticeship is that you get to earn qualifications that are recognised around the world, and that you get to earn an income at the same time, but also, most importantly, you get to work through the medium of Welsh.
Our fantastic staff here at the Urdd work as tutors and assessors. They'll be there every step of the way to guide, assist, support and educate our apprentices and make the whole process as smooth as possible, both with the apprentices and the outdoor education centres.
Contact the Urdd today to arrange a meeting or find out more.